things have changed for me massively in the past 2 months, hugely. And it comes along lines of tragedy, comes along the lines of certain things have been really successful, comes along the lines of certain things haven't been, and certain things I've got to leave behind. So I'm not going to go through that big list. I really want to say that thanks to everybody who are actually members, who have actually joined my channel, actually pay every month. I really appreciate that, because it makes a big difference to keeping the channel going. And I want to say that obviously those that sign in for sort of content to do with the Romans is still there. It's still going out live on a Tuesday and a Wednesday. So except I'm not doing those small videos anymore. I've just realised that I just don't have enough time. I was doing a charity event on Saturday, and you would say to people, well, you'd give them your business card or something, and they would say, you're a farmer, you're an archaeologist, you're an actor, you're an author, and you're a filmmaker. And they just say, well, how can you do all this? I remember there was this one woman I was working with on Saturday, and I said, it's been really difficult to take that this morning I'm now an award-winning filmmaker. And the award has actually come from a festival in Hollywood. Fingers are disgusting. And she said, you're making this up. And you got a business card. How can you be a farmer and a filmmaker? Oh, you're an archaeologist as well. And you're an author. You can't be all this. So I thought, you're making this up. I had to show her the Hollywood film. And she said, no, the Hollywood film, the thing to do with the award from Hollywood. And by the way, anyone who wants to make a donation, perfectly would be great. And it's like, and then she says, I've got to prove the fact that I'm actually a farmer as well, which is really odd. So when I'm telling people things, they don't believe it, because they just can't believe that I can function having all these things going on, and I've got OCD. So how can somebody with OCD be a farmer, having to deal with all the mud, there you go, on my fingers, having to be an archaeologist digging things up, and then doing films? Or how do you find time to write books and teach? And the point is that I do all these things to keep... Am I back again? Oh, I've had to start again. Great, excellent. So I don't know if this is the same live, but Vara Mogulus is still there to have you on. So I was saying about politics. I was just saying about the world of politics and how negative politics is. And what is the point in politics? Because, as I said, I thought I was still live. In Cymru Wales, for example, we have, or Welsh Assembly, or whatever you want to call it, we've got all these tiers of government. So we've got Westminster, we've got the Assembly in Cymru Wales, we've got county councils, we've got town councils. And I'm looking at it and thinking, we don't need any of this. Why do we need politicians telling us what to do and how to spend our money? A big chunk of all the money that people pay for local councils, pay for the Welsh Assembly, pay for the Westminster Parliament is actually going into staff to run these things. So if you start cutting down what services these things actually sort of, if you want to, you start to look at the services that are actually provided are actually basically provided by outside agencies. For example, when you look at local council, they've got a tax collecting department. So they collect the taxes to pay for all the services. Well, most of the services that councils actually pay for are done externally anyway. For example, social services is technically an independent department within the council. So why do we need to pay? Why do we need to have councils raising taxes for that? Why can't it be done by the central pot? What I'm trying to get at is that, oh, somebody disliked my stream. Oh, don't worry about it. It's probably a good thing. Anyway, so I've just gone on to a tangent about politics. So let's talk about what's happening with me at this minute before my coffee arrives. And it's good to have Erminkni and Pingui and Vala Mogurulus. Don't forget to make donations. I just wanted to say, if anyone actually joins my channel, they actually get extra content. The reason why I've come on today is because for some reason my channel's losing lots of people, right? And the reason why that is because my focus in life has changed. And it'd be good to hear what you would like me to talk about, what you'd like me to do it. Because I've got my two regular things on a Tuesday and Wednesday, right, which are archaeology in the evening. I put some random stuff on. It might be about archaeology, it might be about sort of some stuff that I'm doing, it might be about my filmmaking. What do people actually want from me, right? What do they actually want? What Carl is this? Talking too much. Don't know what the hell that means. So it's the point. What do people actually want from me on my YouTube channel? So before I go, it would be really good to hear what you want from me. And because, oh, my coffee's just turned up and a pasty, right? So make a film about Richard III. Yeah, I could make a film about Richard III. Maybe. Anyway, guys, I'm going to dash now, so I'm going to do another live soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to join my channel, right? My food has arrived and my coffee has arrived. And I'm just going to end this live stream. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Taking a note about making a film about Richard III. And I'll speak to you soon. I do look a bit like Richard III. And I've got scoliosis as well. Fab. Anyway, take care, guys. We're going to end this stream. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe and join my channel. Another live soon. Thank you. And Brad, WTF, Pingu, Erminki, and Vala, thank you very much for watching.